Have you ever wondered why wooden spaces feel so warm, calming, and inviting? It's because humans have an innate connection with nature. This concept, known as biophilic design, is supported by research showing that natural materials like wood can help reduce stress, improve well-being, and create healthier living environments. But today, wood is no longer just a finishing material. It's becoming the future of structural engineering. This villa in Goa is a perfect example. Designed for a young entrepreneur who values authentic materials, sustainability, and timeless architecture, this home celebrates openness, natural light, and a seamless connection between the indoors and the surrounding landscape. Designed by architect Akshat Bhatt, principal architect at Architecture Discipline, this villa reflects a thoughtful blend of nature, engineering, and timeless design. At its heart is Glue-Lam, or glued laminated timber, an engineered wood product renowned for its exceptional strength, dimensional stability, and low carbon footprint. Behind this landmark project is Artius, India's pioneer in Glue-Lam and mass timber engineering. From structural design support and engineering, logistics, and on-site installation, Artius delivered the complete timber structure under one roof. Every Glue-Lam beam and column was manufactured at the Artius state-of-the-art facility using certified Douglas fir timber. The timber was kiln-dried, machine strength graded, finger-jointed, laminated, and precision-machined to ensure that every component fit perfectly before leaving the factory. Once delivered to Goa, the entire structural frame was assembled in just 30 days by an installation team of only 9 people. Thanks to precision prefabrication and specially engineered steel connections, construction was faster, cleaner, and far more efficient than conventional methods. This project is more than a luxury villa. It demonstrates how advanced timber engineering can create beautiful, high-performance homes while reducing construction time and supporting more sustainable building practices. At Artius, we're not just manufacturing engineered timber. We're bringing global mass timber technology to India and redefining what's possible in architecture. This is more than a home. It's a glimpse into the future of Indian construction, engineered in India, built by Artius.